What is the Qibla direction on a flat Earth model? So there are some people in the comments that have mentioned that they subscribe to the belief that the Earth is flat, and not flat in terms of the Mercator map that is used, for mapping and stuff, but an actual a flat map, the kind of flat Earth theory. I don't personally subscribe to that belief. I believe that we do live on a globe, but there are some people that do believe on it, in a flat Earth, and they ask the question, well, what is the Qibla according to this model, right? So just to entertain them, let's ask that question: what is the Qibla direction in North America? Let's put a little circle here for where we find North America. What is the Qibla direction in North America? Here we have Saudi Arabia on this flat Earth map. The flat Earth, according to flat Earth theory, it's a flat disk with the North Pole in the center and concentric rings, moving outward until the south is a ring around it. Anyways, what is the Qibla direction in North America given the flat Earth model? Saudi Arabia is a star. North America is circled in the red. We're going to draw a line. I'm going to take a line, and we are going to draw, I think around here is New York. We're going to draw the line, and this is very easy because on a flat Earth we can just look at the lines and see that as the directions. Let's draw that line, and I'll make it join the star, and I'm going to make it really, really thick so people can see it. And let me make it black, just so it's very clear. And to make it absolutely, completely clear, we're going to make it an arrow. There we go. So, what is the direction? Well, if this is north, going downwards, you can see very quickly, even if you follow these concentric rings, which are the lines of, I believe, latitude, the direction that you face, according to the flat Earth model, in North America is northeast. All right, so even if you subscribe to the belief that the Earth is flat, your direction that you face in North America to face Mecca is northeast. And I can take this line, keep the tip in Mecca, and I can move this around, Mexico, northeast. California, still northeast. Again, as I mentioned in a previous video, Alaska is facing north. Right? It still works the same thing because it's still from the perspective of the North Pole. I could be looking, this picture, even though it's a flat map, it could also be from the perspective of looking downward into the North Pole if you're looking on, a globe model. Northeast in places such as Florida, Central America, Mexico, California. Hawaii, again, as I mentioned before, Hawaii is more of a northwesterly direction. But the key thing is, even with a flat map, it is still northeast. The Qibla direction in North America is northeast. Another thing to note also is that, according to this model, it cannot be southeast. The Qibla direction cannot be southeast. There's just no way to draw it to make it reach Mecca if you face southeast.